Okay. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Yes. Uh, okay. So, what was the last topic we have discussed, or what was the last point in that particular problem? It is project cost we were discussing in our previous class. So, what was the last step we have in our previous class?
Second calculation of project cost.
Second calculation. And what was the last statement we have written?
Since 14,150 is less than the previous project cost calculation,
Okay.
therefore we
Since 14,000 150 rupees is less than the previous
project cost calculation, that is 14,450.
project. That is 14,450. Yes. Therefore, we continue this problem. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the problem which we have solved in our in the sense like we were in the process of calculating the project cost, and the important thing is uh, our effort is in reducing the project completion duration. Why? Because project completion duration is directly impacting the indirect cost. Okay, so uh, if in case the project manager is successful in reducing this project indirect cost, the project cost will automatically reduce. Okay, so that is the reason the main intention of the project manager is to reduce the project completion duration. Okay, so what we have done until now is now what is being done until now here is uh, okay. So what is being done here is that first the calculation of the project completion duration is being completed. Okay, how much duration the project is taking to complete. So let us assume that building construction is one such project. Okay, so for building construction, what is the total duration uh, it takes to complete this building construction project? That is being calculated. Okay, I'm just taking one example, and once that is done, okay, and the all effort is being put into determining the critical path. Critical path is nothing but that path which actually determines the project completion duration. Okay, so once that is done, uh, the critical activities or the activities in this particular path are being reduced. So that is what we are trying to do here. Okay, so this is done, is it right? So 14,150 is being determined. Next, we can write as cycle 2 and cycle 2 for so this can be called as a cycle 2, wherein start with determining the critical path. Okay, determining the critical path. So first, what we do here is identify the possible different paths and their durations. Okay. What are the different paths here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct? So what is the path duration? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is after reducing 2-3 from by 2 days. Correct? So we have to determine different paths and their possible durations. Their durations after reducing 2-3 by 2 days. Okay. So what was the path duration here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the activity duration of 1-2?
8.
8. Correct. Next. 2-3.
4.
4. Next.
4.
3 is again 4. Last one is
3.
correct. So that is done. So what is the total? Total duration is, total path duration is 19 days. Okay. So what is the next one? The next path. Next path is
4-5.
okay. 1, 2, 5. Correct. 1-2 is already written. 8. What about 2-4?
7.
7. 4-5 is, what is the path duration?
18 days.
Okay. Next.
1-3-4-5.
Okay. So what is the duration?
5.
5 plus
4.
4 plus
3.
12 days. Okay. So first we have determined the critical path. So this is done. No, not yet done, but we are in process of determining the critical path. Correct? Okay. So those who have already completed this step, we can start determining the critical path. So what is the critical path here?
The longest path, sir. 1-2.
That is, no, longest path is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Correct. So you can write the critical path as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So just make note of this. And those who have completed writing can start determining the critical path. And once the critical path is determined, also determine the critical activities. Okay, so once this is done, we'll go for the next one. Therefore, critical path is equal to longest path, which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is equal to, so what was the path duration? 19 days. 19 days. So once this is done, this step is over, correct? Next is we determine the critical activities. What are the critical activities here?
One dash two,
1-2,
2-3,
2-3,
3-4,
3-4,
4-1.
Is it right? So these are nothing but the critical activities. Okay. So what we did next in our previous class, once the critical activities are listed, what we did next?
Project cost.
Project cost, but for that we have to select one critical activity. Okay, so I'm going ahead. In case if anyone wants me to stay back in the previous screen, just let me know. Selecting one critical activity. Selecting one critical activity for activity duration reduction. Okay, so we have to select any one critical activity that is used for reducing the activity duration. Okay, so how do we do this? Critical activities. What are the different columns? First one is critical activities. Okay, next, what is the next column?
Normal duration.
Normal duration, that's right. Next,
Crash duration.
crash duration, correct. Next,
Normal
cost.
cost.
normal cost, that's right. Next,
Cash cost.
cash cost, and
Increment cost.
increment cost. Okay, so different critical activities are 1-2, 2-3, 3-4, and 4-. What are the normal duration for this? Here, there is no need of writing this table once again because it is the same table which we have written in our previous cycle also. But the only thing is that since this is the first problem, we are writing this. Otherwise, there is no change. Okay. Whatever table you have written in the previous cycle, same thing you are writing here also. So in the examination, there is no need of writing this once again. But since this is required for our understanding, we have to write this one. Six and 4. What was this? 1,800 and 2,000. And this was 100. Okay, next. Okay. And what was 3-4?
4.
4 and
2.
2.
2000.
2,000. 3,200.
Yes.
And this is
600.
all right. So we have to select any one critical activity. Here, this selection is important. We have to select any one activity from this. How do we select this activity? We're supposed to select only one activity from this list so that we can reduce this duration. Our objective is we have to reduce this duration. Whatever we find here, correct? That is normal duration has to be reduced 864. These numbers have to be reduced somehow. So how do we select critical activities? How do we select one critical activity? What is the next step? Once we have written this step, what is the next step? Once we have listed all the
We have to select the next least increment activity.
next, so what would be the next list?
It's 300.
300. Yes, so that's right. Already we have selected one first list. First list is always we have to refer the incremental cost. That means what? How much extra payment project manager is ready to do in order to reduce the project completion duration. So initially it was taking 21 days. So from 21 days, we have to come down, okay, below 21 days, correct? So for doing that, what extra cost the project manager is ready to pay, that we have to see. Is it right? So this is the extra cost. Okay, if we have to reduce 2-3 by 1 day, then the extra cost the project manager has to pay is 100 rupees per day. Okay, if 2-3 has to be reduced by 1 day, 100 rupees extra has to be paid. Similarly, if 1-2 activity has to be reduced by 1 day, 300 rupees extra has to be paid, and this is 600 rupees, and this is 550 rupees. Correct. So after looking at this, the beneficial we have benefit already 6-2-3 activities already selected for reduction purpose. So we have reduced this already in our previous cycle. This is reduced to the maximum extent. 6 was reduced to 4. So we cannot select it again. This is already reduced. If anyone has any doubts, you can ask. Simultaneously, if there is any doubts, if anyone has any doubts, you are supposed to ask. So 2-3 is already reduced, so we will not reduce this once again. So next least is 300. Okay, so possibly we'll just mark it with this is the least cost. Okay, so that is the reason we select 1-2 activity. Okay, so just make note of this. and then we'll go ahead. Okay, so is it done? Have you made note of this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How about others?
Yes, sir.
It's done, sir.
Okay. All right. So once this is done, we select the next least increment cost, that is activity 1-2, whose increment cost is equal to 300 rupees. Okay. So normal duration of 1-2 is how much? And what is the crash duration of 1-2?
Normal duration 8.
8 days. And what is the crash duration?
5.
5 days. Correct. Total number of reduction possible is total number of reduction possible is equal to how much? 3 days. 3 days, is it right? Correct. Everyone agrees to this? Correct. Everyone agrees to this? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 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 So once this is done, what should be our next step?
Project cost, sir.
Project cost. But before that, we have to determine the before determining the project cost, or in order to determine the project cost, we have to determine the
Possible path.
critical path. Yes, critical path and simultaneously project completion duration. Okay, so those who have completed this, determine the project completion duration. Okay, so I'm going ahead. Determining the next step is determining revised path duration or okay, so how do we do this? We have to determine all the possible paths and their durations. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? So what would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? What is the new duration for 1 dash 2? 5 days, right? And what about 2 dash 3? Two dash 3 is how much? What is 3 dash 4? 4,
Yes, sir.
okay. So 16 days. What about the next one? 5 plus. Correct. And 1 dash 3 is how much? Yes. What is 1 dash 3? Or what is the duration of 1 dash 3?
Five.
5. Okay. So what will be the critical path duration? What is the project duration or the critical
16
path?
days.
Path duration is equal to 16 days. That's right. So this is how we are supposed to determine the project completion duration, and similarly, now we have to determine the project cost. Okay, and those who have already completed this calculation, determine the project cost. And those who have not understood this, you can ask if any step is not understood. Okay, so once this is done, determining the project cost is the last step. Determining project cost. Okay, so what should be the step here? Total cost is equal to total project cost is equal to total direct cost or the normal cost. Next, total indirect cost for 16 days. Okay, and next, increment cost for 2-3 activity, and increment cost for 1-2. All right, so all put together, so what is this total direct cost or the total normal cost? What is the total normal cost? It's given in the question statement, is it right? It is something around 9,220 or something.
9,200, sir.
9,200 rupees. It's given in the question. Okay. Now next indirect cost is how much? 250 rupees into 16 days. Why 250 rupees? It is given in the question statement again. This is given, and 250 rupees. That data is also given. What is 250 into 16 days?
4,000, sir.
1,000. Increment cost for 2-3. So what is increment cost for 2-3?
100.
100. And we have reduced it for 2 days. 2 into 100 equal to 200. Next 1-2. This is 3 days into how much? What is the increment cost for 3 days?
300.
3 days, 300 rupees. 300. So which is equal to 900. And we have to add up all the cost. If we add up all the costs, then we will get the actual project cost. So if anyone has any doubts, you can ask. So determine the total project cost.
14,300.
That is 14,300. And is it lesser than or greater than the previous project cost? What was the previous project cost value?
14,150.
14,150, and this time we are getting it as 14,300. So since the project cost is whatever we have obtained is more than the previous project cost, that is the reason we can stop. Okay, so that means what? In every cycle, you are supposed to get lesser cost. If you want to continue this problem, you have to get the lesser cost than the previous cycle. Okay, only if you get a lesser project cost, only then you can continue this problem. Okay, so going ahead, so total project cost for 16 days duration is how much you said? 14,300.
Yes, sir.
14,300 rupees. This new project cost that is 14,300 rupees is more than the previous project cost. Project cost that is 14,100. Is it right? 14,150. What was the previous project cost?
40,150.
Correct. Therefore, we stop this problem. Okay. Therefore, we stop this problem and consider optimum project cost as equal to rupees 14,150 and optimum project duration as. So what should be the optimum project duration? Should it be 19 days or 16 days?
$19 days.
19 days. Correct. Any other answers? 19 days or 16 days?
19, sir.
19 days. Correct. So we are not supposed to consider 16 days because for 16 days, if we are considering the project duration as 16 days, then the cost will be 14,300, which is actually more. And always, if you that is a basic concept. Always the cost has to be lesser than cost aspect has to be lesser. Correct. So that is the reason 19 days should not be considered, but 16 days has to be considered in. Sorry, 19 days has to be considered. This is the final solution. Project cost is determined as well as project duration is also considered. We stop the problem here. Okay, so is it done?
Yes, sir.
Correct. So what we'll do is I'll just dictate one problem and or else instead of dictating one problem, solve a similar problem in the next possibly here. Yes, so what I will do is I will give one project network. Okay, so if anyone wants me to go back to this screen, just let me know. Okay, so the next example, activity, normal duration, and shorter duration, and both are in days. Okay, both are in days itself, and finally they are given us cost of reduction. Okay. So the list of 1-3, 1-4, 2-4, 2-5, 3-6, 4-. Just wait for a minute. Do not rub this. Just keep it as I do not have this, so I'm rubbing it. 1-2, 1-3, 1-4, 2-4, 3-6, 4-6, and 5-6. Okay. Once this is done, the normal durations we will 8535. Well, let's see. Next. Four, 3, 8, 5, 6. Okay. 80, 90, 30, dash, 40, 200, 50, and a dash. Okay, so just take down this particular table. Okay, so is it done, this particular table?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm just one statement, question statement we can make note of, and then we'll wind up. Normal cost given as rupees 6,500. Total normal cost. Total normal cost and overhead cost or the indirect cost is rupees 150 per day, and the penalty cost will be rupees 100 for crossing 17 days. Okay, so these are the 3 points. Determine optimum project. Okay, this is the last screen. So we'll continue this in the next class. Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.